share the problem, hope you know the same. I just wanna get high today. Pray the smoke creates to hide away. Recite the reasons why I fight to stay. My time on earth, see the perks decay. Every day is another debate on debate. The mind instigates that this ain't the place I belong. I'm hiding mistake, can't get no sleep when your mind is away. Don't see land of the free, but surroundings a state. Damn, and my timing is late, so I get no shifts. Gears and beats, feels like Stevie is driving my face. I know all the keys, but I can't see straight. Clean hearts can't always claim clean slates. Real talk. When your back's on the wall and you stood till you ache. Breaking points so your actions change. No peace divided, the fractions change. We were raised to see equals, but now I see it top heavy when I'm asking change. We used to cut classes like we're careless of backgrounds. So many passings, not on school grounds. And I've never been associated, but calm I found other angles than round and background. And we never speak of the effects, keep feelings, must be immune to the stress. And you don't need counseling, raised on if you don't hear, you must feel instead. No one ever can't heal instead, so focused the kick can betray real strength. But I'd rather you talk to me now than to be past tense. Can I take your mind away? Rather cut me off than help me to relate. I don't mind if I adopt the pain. No problem shared, no problem off, you know the same. Can I take your mind away? Rather cut me off than help me to relate. I don't mind if I adopt the pain. No problem shared, no problem off, you know the same. I shook you off, but you're back again. Here we go. I was fine before, yo, what's happening? Here we go. Wide awake, my thoughts running laps again. Why won't you let me recover? Constantly damaging, constantly carrying this weight. Hold up. It's overbearing, I'm battling. Where do I feel safe? Hold up. When I'm all alone, it's like my walls about to cave. Then when I escape the box under the brave face, I'm caged. I had to persuade the cage bird to sing. Battered eyelids to swing. My way and maybe let me go. One call won't cost a thing. Maybe that's selfish. Everybody needs an outlet. I don't wanna be a burden, but sleepless nights are wearing me thin. Wearing, tearing me down. Depression staring me down. And anytime I feel up by night, I'm squaring the ground. Would you care for me now? Would you care for me now? Why would you? 'Cause I feel like I need you, and you're barely around.
Show me how it feels when I make you smile. Show me all the joy behind your eyes. Just hold me like tonight won't last forever. No, I don't ever want to say goodbye. Show me how it feels now that you're mine. You bring out all the good parts in me. I don't ever want to say goodbye. You bring out the best in me. I wanted more to see us strong. this love.